It is 6 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Normally a day where I'd have a really nice lie-in, but today me, my dad and John are going to a car meet. I've been told we're going to see a lot of interesting stuff, so why not take you guys along for the journey? So let's get to my dad's, get to John's and go have some fun. The Italians are coming.
Ferrari corner.
Great number plate on it as well. That's cool.
Yeah. They're like 12 grand.
And then you've got the Honda NSX. Still got its 2014 tax disc in it.
No, they were already up, were they? Yeah, that's easy.
Oh shit. So should we just go up our local pub, which is like the end of my route? Yeah. Park there and a couple of points like half a mile from home, innit, you know?
Yeah.
Bob.
thin on them now. Like the doors look really thin.
Oh yeah.
No, does it go when you start up?
Yeah. Probably a bit air suspension. That's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah.
I remember speaking to a guy who had an E-Type, and he said, yeah, pretty much as soon as you get home, I'm just going to do car show.
We got ended up because we were just too late.
Or like all head power company.
No.
Can you imagine living with that?
Oh, no, I can't.
And you have, I think you probably have to have an intercom system to be able to have a conversation. Yeah, but people don't. No, that's, even if you're going for like a weekend holiday.
Nice and easy though.
So you still work? They pretty good. Oh really?
Oh gosh, okay.
Chimera, which is a bit more classic.
Yeah.
But it was broken for quite a while.
Probably works less well. Probably. Mine's 3.5 years old, 4 years old.
It does look very red.
And then
You don't mind that being on the YouTube channel, do you? That is not similar to my Civic in any way, shape or form.
is this all on camera?
Your trim pieces are in place.
Yeah, so you know, all of these have been done. There was little bubbles just here and stuff. And
It is metal though, I assume, or is it aluminium?
I don't know, it's
Well, that's still a metal, but
cardboard fiberglass comps.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, definitely.
What did you say it was? The Civic of Ferraris?
She's got multiple badges.
what's cool is in the boot they print the spec list. I only know this because you told me this last time.
Yeah.
And you know, if ever there was I mean, that's just an incentive to try and get one owner to one up on each other, isn't it? It's like,
Imagine that with like
yeah.
one
one
line.
thing on it, yeah. You'd be
Radio. It's got the 6-disc changer in the boot. I almost want to get one printed in the same font that says 6-disc changer or something.
or you just get something which isn't quite the same as like one of those cassette things.
Yeah.
Stuck them on.
I've got one at home actually in the kitchen.
Okay, so that is it at Queen Square, Bristol, I want to say. Gloucester. Queen Square car meet done. John is now going home. Eastwood Park, that's the one. John is now off home. We've seen lots of lovely, interesting cars, including that beautiful Ferrari Roma. Apparently, according to the owner, Mark, is the Civic of Ferraris. He said that, not me.
As Ferrari people seem to think, yeah.
So I'm going to jump in with Dad. We're going to go home in the F-Type. So thanks for watching, and if you want to hear some tunnel noises, keep watching for the next couple of minutes.